In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into the site builder, build a clean homepage, add more pages, set cohesive design styles, and publish your site with confidence. Start by opening your Podia dashboard and heading to Website, then select Edit Site. If this is your first time, Podia will guide you through choosing a template, a color scheme, and your site language. Think of this as your foundation. Pick a template that matches your brand's personality and a color palette that's easy to read. Don't stress, these choices aren't permanent and you can fine-tune them later. When the site editor opens, you'll land on your home page. This is your front door, so keep it clear and welcoming. To add content, move your cursor to the spot where you want something new to appear, click the plus button, and choose a section type. You can add text blocks for introductions, images for visuals, product sections to showcase what you sell, and testimonials to build trust. After you add a section, use the Content tab to write your text, upload images or videos, and adjust details like titles and links. Then switch to the Design tab to refine layout, spacing, colors, backgrounds, and styles. Aim for short, scannable paragraphs and high-quality visuals that match your brand colors. To build out the rest of your website, go to the Page Navigation menu in the editor and select New Page. Create essentials like About, Contact, or Services. Each new page is built the same way as your home page. Use the plus button to add sections, then customize with the Content and Design tabs. Keep your messaging consistent from page to page and reuse section styles when possible so the site feels unified. Next, set your global design. In the Site Builder, you can define site-wide colors, fonts, and interactive styles, like how buttons and links look. These global settings keep everything cohesive across every page and section. Choose fonts that are readable on desktop and mobile, and use a color palette with good contrast so your text stands out against backgrounds. Once you're happy with how things look, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Site Builder. That pushes your changes live. If you spot something you want to improve later, just return to the editor, make your updates, and publish again to refresh your live site. That's all you need to create a professional website on Podia. Keep refining as you go, and your site will grow with your brand.